Hi everyone, I'm here today to talk about file folders. So if you are not familiar with how to prep file folders, this is going to be a quick tutorial to kind of show you a little bit about how I prep these folders specifically at home. But obviously if you have a school laminator, more power to you. And I'm going to share a little bit of my tips and tricks while laminating file folders at home. So if you are familiar with file folders, they look like this. There's usually some type of activity in the middle. The Velcro sometimes is on the side. And then typically it's a pick up and put on type task that students can do. But I do all of my laminating for my file folders at home. So this is a party set so that you can see a couple different options here. There's birthday cakes, here's presents. So yeah, this is a party and a celebration one. This kind of came out around like New Year's to be maybe like New Year celebrate, or it could be birthdays because there's balloons and things. So that's one of my sets that I have. That is a free set that if you buy the bundle of my file folders, you will get that. And then I also have some spring file folders here. Ladybugs, they're so cute. And then these are all errorless file folders. So these specifically are just pick up, put on for students to be able to go ahead and just kind of quick and put on and just do the task. So it could be promoting for work endurance or their own confidence. So I do laminate all of my file folders at home. I do have a short Instagram reel that I did that shows all the whole steps of me actually processing and doing it. But I use like giant thermal laminating sheets. I'm going to back up so you can see how big these are. But these are laminating sheets that fit file folders. I do need to cut the file folders down a little bit. Again, I will link that video below to show you exactly how I do that. But these I did get on Amazon. I don't have a specific brand that I love yet. But this one I do try to get it in a 5 mil, so it is a little bit thicker. So in folding them, it did take me a minute to do. And then laminating your file folders at home, I do use, so this is a normal laminator size, right? Fits a regular sheet of paper. But I have now used this menu sized laminator. So it is a little bit wider than the normal one that you might be familiar with. So again, there's a little bit of the size comparison for you. And so this does put a file folder through it. And again, I do try to put it at that 5 mil, so that that 5 mil can have that durability of the file folder that I absolutely need. So I take my folder, I cut it down slightly, I glue that one white page down at the bottom, I glue my tabs, I glue my little label on the front, and then I will put this in the sheet, cut it down to fit inside that sheet, and then run it through the laminator, take it out. I will laminate my pieces, usually on the smaller laminator, and then cut those out. Yes, I am a laminate then cut person. And then I throw Velcro on. So I usually put hard on the pieces and soft on the card, so that it actually can go in there. So I know this was a quick tutorial about file folders, but if you are looking for some more tips and tricks or just need some more advice on file folders, go ahead and comment below. I will make sure to get you an answer as quickly as I can, so that you can learn all about file folders as well. So hopefully it was helpful just to kind of see and run through what that looks like. Again, I will drop that Instagram link for a reel to show you exactly how I go through that process, because I do it a couple times on there. So hopefully that's helpful for you.